Hello guys and welcome to another David Zamoletta. In today's video, I'm unboxing a video with my kids. This is Kevin and Jason. I got them something special from Amazon, guys, and you're gonna love it. So first of all, we got a baseball and we got a basketball. Guys, these are drinking cups. Guess what? I actually got them 3 different kinds. So anyways, guys, we already got one of them unboxed, and what it is you open that sippy cup up and look, this becomes a water bottle, guys. It is so amazing. It is soft. It is rubbery, guys. It's literally like a rubber ball. Just like, look at it. And of course, you could drink out of it. You could use it like a squirt gun. So actually, let's unbox these things and find out what they are. So this is from Pro Innovation. V&I. That's the brand. I'm gonna link these things up in the description below for the Amazon links to these things. But this is supposedly probably a new trending item that is on Amazon right now. I haven't seen anything like it, guys. There's another product that I've seen that looks similar to this, but it's not rubbery. It's more like plasticky. But I like this rubbery a little bit better because, guys, obviously they're not gonna break. They're not gonna bend. You know, and they're gonna probably last quite a while. So this becomes into a baseball. Jason, you like it? Here you go. Hold this. You like the soccer ball?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. Hold it. So we're gonna unbox the basketball. Looks like. So let's go ahead and pop this box open. By the way, guys, these boxes are kind of nice. They're high quality boxes. Definitely would make a very nice gift, you know, like in a present, like for kids. So guys, I do want to point out something. This basketball, look, it actually has, I'm not sure if you could see that. The camera really does not catch it, but it's actually got this basketball feel. And it does feel like a little like basketball. Pops open like this, becomes a drinking bottle. But guys, you know what's fun? Kids could actually play with these things, like, and actually squeeze them, you know, and stuff like that when they put water in it, because, you know, kids kind of like water sports. So kids, are you ready to go play with these kids sports water bottles outside?
Yeah.
Let's take them to the pool. Let's put some water in them. You'll drink the water and you could actually splash each other. Here you go. Which one do you like, guys? Which one?
I like this.
You like basketball?
Oh, it's so
Which one you like, Jason? Soccer ball or you like baseball? You like baseball?
Honey,
Cool.
this is for me.
And this is for my honey. And look, matches her outfit. How
So
cool is
cute.
that?
I like it.
You know, guys, these bottles are kind of like unique, and I always like to do something for my kids. You know, just buy something special. Who knows? This thing might be trending, and you know, since we're YouTubers, we like to get different kind of stuff and try things out. And of course, taking kids everywhere as we travel and stuff like that, it definitely makes a lot of sense having some of these rubber bottles with us and stuff. Plus they close really good. I doubt that they're gonna spill because they do hold air in really well. Look, I'm like squeezing it and it's not coming out, so it's probably gonna hold water in pretty good. But either way, guys, pretty nice little gift.
So cool.
My name is Serge Zamoletta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite their business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.